I'm gonna make some honey Old Bay wings. Let's get to it.
Yes, Lord.
I'm gonna make some honey Old Bay wings. Let's get it. So, real quick process. We don't want to over season. Yeah, we don't want to over season with this. So we're gonna start off with some Tony's spices and herb seasoning. So it's a little bit lower in sodium than the standard Tony's. All right. So I don't really use measurements when I cook. I use the spirit of discernment. You feel me? So if you need a hard measurement, go with about tablespoon and a half. Start there and then work your way up. The smoked paprika. Little garlic powder. So garlic powder doesn't have any salt, so don't trip about your food being too salty. I'm never gonna give you a recipe to set you up for failure like that, so where people can talk bad about you behind your back. You feel me? In the group chat or at the family functions, because I don't know about y'all, but my grandma is like super honest, and she will let you know if your food came out nasty. But anyway, last but not least, we got a little bit of black pepper. This will go a long way, so don't overdo this. We're gonna cook these naked. So this is what we should be looking like right now, and then we're just gonna take our hands and mix this all together. Real quick, I just felt like I had to tell you this. If, of course, you enjoying the recipe, you also can follow along with me live and cook these meals together. So I have a group called The Kitchen Crew that I developed for people that really want to take their food game to the next level. And look, it's 4 classes a month for just $37. So literally $1.23 a day, right? If you're interested in what you need to do, go ahead and click the link in the description box below, and then go ahead and sign on up, and I'll see you inside.
Yes, Lord.
So drop the wings in away from you, for obvious reasons. You do not want this oil to splatter back on you.
Yes, Lord.
Alright, so we're gonna let that go for about 8 minutes each side. So we're gonna start off with some Dijon mustard. Alright. So for the people who think that they don't like mayo or mustard, chances are it's the base of a lot of your sauces. Alright. So we're gonna get about a 1/4 cup of some Dijon mustard, a 1/4 cup of some honey. Alright. Now this is some Old Bay hot seasoning, because I like a little spicy in mine. Alright, so Old Bay hot. Now with this, do this to your liking, because this Old Bay hot is actually hot. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's got a little kick to it. Go add in just a little bit of hot sauce, whether it's sriracha. I think Tony's got a hot sauce now. Sriracha, Louisiana, whatever. Add you a couple dabs of that in there. And some minced garlic. Alright? So you can get a little squeeze or whatever the case. So probably about a teaspoon and a half. Okay, but that stuff the back there sounds so good. So go ahead and mix this around. Alright, last but not least, get you about 2 tablespoons of some brown sugar. Just to add to that sweetness a little bit, because that Old Bay is spicy. Alright. Go ahead and taste your product real quick. Make sure it's right. Yes, sir. It's almost like a spicy honey mustard type situation. Yes, sir. So yeah, once those are done, go ahead and set it on the wire rack and let those cool, and let that excess oil drain on off. Or if you put in a paper towel, you kind of just soaking it back into its own oil, so that's why I don't do that. I personally don't want the breading on there just because it'd be too much, you know? You can still achieve pretty much the same effect without using it. Yes, Lord. So, there's the wings right there. Go ahead and toss them. And last but not least, go ahead and get a little bit of Old Bay. This is reduced sodium. This to reinforce that flavor. Got another little toss. Bet. Boy. This is so toxic. Like, you could really. Anyway. Yes, Lord. Oh my God. All right, so look, you done made it this far. Go ahead and try the recipe. Tag 3 people in the comments below, and then also share this with 3 people as well. So look, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit that bell as well so you can be up to date every time we drop a new recipe. And then if you like the video, hit the like button and like the damn video. All right, but I'm gonna see y'all later. And again, with this shirt right here, did your man feed you or do I have to? That's gonna be in the description box below. Go ahead and grab you one, all right? And I'll see y'all next time. Again, if you're just coming in on the live, we making honey Old Bay wings. I'm filming this YouTube video right now. So I would suggest this video is not being posted on Instagram in terms of the recipe. Make sure you tapping in, make sure you taking notes. What is dressing? It's an amazing dish. What is dressing? Oh Lord, is rolling? Oh, all right.